Hello everyone, welcome to Source Code. In this video, I will show you how to make Ludo game board using HTML and CSS only. So let's start the video. So before we go to the coding part, let me show you that how we are going to design our Ludo game board. So first of all, we have to take one container of same size, and in this container, we have to define container 1, container 2, and container 3. Now in this container, we have to design our Ludo game board. So in the first container, that is container 1, we have to make row 1, column 1 for the green box, that is for the green coin. After that, we are having row 1, column 2 for the path movement. Again, we are having row 1, column 3 for the yellow coin, and coming to the container 2, we are having row 2 column 1 for the path movement, row 2 column 2 for one will be the home for all the coins. Again, we are having row 2 column 3, this will be the path movement. Now coming to container 3, we are having row 3 column 1 for the red coin. After that, we are having row 3 column 2 for the path movement, and last one is row 3 column 3 for the blue coins. Now come to the coding part. First of all, I am making one div with a class name container. Now inside this, we will make 3 more container. Just copy this one and change the container number. So coming to container 1, if you see, we are having 3 boxes here, that is row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, row 1 column 3, so respectively for our container 2 also and container 3 also. So come to the HTML part again. So in this I am going to make row 1 column 1. So copy this one again. So only you need to change the column number. So copy this 3 and paste in container 2 and 3. So here we need to change the row number only. Similar for container 3 also. So first of all, this one is going to be our green box. This will be a normal path, and this one is going to be for our yellow one. Now coming to container 2, the first will be our path. Now this one is going to be our home, and this is again a normal path only. Coming to container 3, the first one will be for the red one. Now the second one is normally a path here, and the last one is for the blue one. So we are all set with our HTML part. Now come to the CSS, and we are going to design it now. So first of all, we have to set the body margin and padding here. So I'm taking the margin as 0, padding also 0, and box sizing as border box. Now come to the container. So I will take the width as 600 pixel, height also 600 pixel. Now take the margin as 10 pixel auto so that it come in the middle, and make the cursor as pointer. Now come to container 1. So if you see here, our container 1 and container 3 are having the same dimension only, so I am giving them both at the same time only. So set the width as 100%, make the height as 40%, and make the display as flex. Now come for the container 2. So make the width as 100%, height as 20%, and display as flex. So we are all set with our container part. Now we are going to design our this row and column pair. So if you see here, row 1 column 1, row 1 column 3, row 3 column 1 and row 3 column 3 are having the same dimension. So come to the CSS part again. Just copy this one and here change the row number. So make the width as 40% because they are going to occupy 40% of container 1 and 3. Make the height as 100%. Align item to center. Justify content also to center and display as flex. So now we are going to set the dimension for row 1 column 2 and row 3 column 2. So take the width as 20% and the height as 100%. So now we are going to design our container 2 part, that is row 2 column 1 and row 2 column 3 because they are having the same dimension. So take the width as 40% and the height as 100%. I'm going to set the dimension for the last one, that is row 2 column 2. So take the width here as 20% and height as 100%. So let me show you how it is coming. So normally add a border here. So here you can see that we have got all our 4 boxes and this is the space for all the path which we have set. So now we are going to design these 4 boxes. So come to the CSS part. So if you see here, we have taken 4 boxes of different color. So we have to set the color first. So come to the CSS. So here I'm going to make some color boxes. So first of all, make one class in green and take the background color here. For the red one, now come for the blue. Now for the yellow one. And we are having one more, that is for the white. So come to the HTML part. So in the first one, if you see, we have taken green one. So add here the class green. In the yellow one, add here yellow. For the red one, add here one class red. And for the blue here, normally a blue class. So come to the CSS part again and remove this border because we don't require it. Now come to the output part. So this was the first we have done till now, and after adding the color, it come like this. So I think yellow is not taken. So as you can see that we have got our 4 boxes. Now inside this we have to share the dimension for our 4 coin, that is a 4 coin house. So if you see here, we have one more, that is this is a white one. So we have to set this white one first. So come to this HTML part. Now inside this we have to make one more div, the class name row 1 column 1 child, and we need to add one more class, and that is white. So copy this one add in yellow one, change it to column 3. Now coming to red box, copy this one and change it to row 3 and column 1. Similar for the blue one also. So this one will be row 3 and column 3. Now come to the CSS part. So we have already done for the white one. So now I have to set this one, row 3, column 3, all the boxes here. So I am taking first row 1, column 1 child, row 1, column 3 child. So we need to copy this one and make for the row 3 also. Now set the width as 70% and height also to 70%. Now let me show you the output how it is coming. So as you can see that we have got our white boxes. So inside this we are going to make the 4 coin box, that is the 4 green, 4 yellow, 4 red and 4 blue. So come to the HTML part again. So coming to here we have to make 4 coin box. So I am taking div, the class name green. So we are all set with the green boxes. Now come to the CSS part again. Now copy this whole. Just you need to add one more here, that is greater than div, and set the width as 35%, height also same as 35%. Now set the margin here as 7.5%, make the float to left. Now we need to add some box shadow here. So I am taking 0, 3 pixel and 6 pixel with RGBA. So I am taking a black one only. So copy this one and you need to change only this alpha value. Now add one transition here. So it will be all for 0.3 second cubic. Now let me show you the output how it is coming. So as you can see that we have got about 4 boxes here. Now similar we have to done with our all these 3. So before doing that we have to add some hover effect also. So copy this one. So for the hover effect we are taking only the box shadow here only. So for the box shadow I am taking -2 pixel, 14 pixel and 28 pixel with RGBA. So copy this one again. So all you need to change is this, make this 14 to 10 and the last one to 22 in place of 25. So let me show you again how it is coming. So if you can see that when I take the mouse on this one, it show a hover effect. So now we have to set for other also. So come to the HTML part. So just you need to copy this one and come to this yellow box. And in place of green, just you need to make it yellow. So here is the output how it is coming. If you see that we have got our four yellow boxes also. So now come for the red and blue. So coming this red one, similar for the blue one also. Now let me show you the how it is coming. So this is the final output. So we are all done with our house part. So now we are going to design the path for each of them. So if you see here, we are having three boxes, and if I consider the width of this one, so if I take this as 100%, so the width will be for each of them will be 33.33. And for the height, if I say I am having six boxes here, and if I take this height as 100, so 100 divided by 6 will be 16.667. So this will be the height and width for each of these boxes. So come to the HTML part inside this one. So I'm going to design our first line first. So I will take three div here. So just copy this one. Now come to the CSS part. So we need to make a width here of 33.33%. Make the height as 16.667 and make the float to left. So I need to add one border also here. So I'm taking 1 pixel solid black here. So now come to the viewport how it is coming. So just add one dot here. Now come to the viewport again. So if you can see that we have got about three boxes here. So similar we have to do for the other one also. So if you see here we are having three boxes, but in three boxes we are having the two boxes of yellow color. So we have to set the class as yellow. So what I'm going to do is make the second class, sorry, second line. Now copy this three. So for the last two div, you just need to add a class that is yellow. Now come to the output how it is coming. So if you see that we have got about two yellow boxes. So similar for the other one also. So if you see here we are having three boxes, but in the middle we are having yellow, and we have to repeat this four times. So coming to this one, that is our third line. So make one normal div and one div with a class name yellow and one normal div. So copy this one. This is going to be our fourth one. This will be the fifth. And this one is the sixth one. Now let me show you the output how it is coming. So if you see here we have got our final path here. So like this we have to set the dimension for this one also, because it is going to have the same one. So come again. So for the red one we are going to do in this one row 3 column 2. So first of all we have to set the box dimension. So just you need to do is now come to this box again. So here we have to make our first box, sorry, first line here. So take one normal div here. After that make one div with a class name red and one more normal div. So let me show you how the output is coming. So as you can see that we have got our view. So just copy this one three more time. So this is going to be our second one. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Now come to the output part. So as you can see that we have got our four boxes. If you see here, we are having boxes here with two red. So come to the HTML part again. And the last one we have to set now. So this one is going to be our last one. So normally we don't having any class here, that is the normal 3 white only. So here we have got our boxes here. So now we have to set for our this two side, that is a container two part. So this is our path one. So I am taking deep. So this is going to be our first line here. Just copy this one. Inside this add one class that is green. Now let me show you how put out is coming. So before that we have to set the dimension for this one. So copy this one. Come to the CSS part. So just copy this one again. And in place of height, sorry, width, give it as a height. And change this one as width. Now let me show you how the output is coming. So as you can see that we have got our boxes. So now for the second line we have to set the dimension. So make a normal div. And coming to this one, just copy this one and paste it 5 times. Now let me show you how it is coming. So here we have got our one, and for the last one we are having only the normal one, that is it don't have any color. So what we need to do is copy this one. So this is our third line, and remove this class. So here is our result that we have got the path. Now we have to design for this side. So now we have to come to row 2 column 3. So first of all make first line. So in the first line, all the, if you see here, we are having all as a white only because they are having no color. So what I'm going to do is just copy this one. So first of all we have to set the dimension. So come to the CSS here. Now let me show you the output, how it is coming. So as you can see that we have got our 6 boxes. Now for the second line. For the second line we are having 5 boxes of blue color and one normal one. So come to this one. Now we will design our second line. So what we need to do is just copy this one, and we have to add the class here. So I'm selecting all at the same time and giving as color as blue. So here is the result, but we are not getting the same one. remove from the last one. So as you can see that we have got the result for the last one. We have to add one blue color that will be at the second last place. So this is the third line. So in place of this, we need to add one class that is of blue color. Now let me show you the output how it is coming. And here we got our final result. So now we are going to design this circle for each of them. So come to the HTML part. So in the second line, the third one, make one div with a class name icon. Now inside this, make one I tag, give a class. Now we are going to design this icon. So I'm giving the margin here as 3 pixel and make the color white. Now let me show you the output. So as you can see that we have got for the yellow one. So now we have to design for the green, red and yellow, sorry, blue. So come to again here. Now if you see here for the green one, in the first line, the second one is having the circle. So just copy this one. Now come to the green one. So this is the box where we have to design. Now for the blue one, in the third line, the second one, that is the second last, is having the circle. So come again here for the blue one. So just copy it at here. And for the last red one, the second line, the first one is having the circle. So come to the red one. So let me show you the output once again. And here we go, we have done all the one. So now we are going to design the star ones. So come to the HTML part once again. So if you see here in the third line, the first box is having the star. So we have to design the third line, first box, this is this one. So just copy this one. Make it star. And add a style here. So in the style we need to define the color. So I am taking the yellow here. Now let me show you the output once again, how it is coming. So here, so in the home, make one div with a class name contain triangle. Now inside this, make one again div with a class name triangle right. So this one is going to be our green one. So if you see here, I have taken triangle right because it is facing right side. So now come to the HTML part once again. Now copy this one. So this is going to be our triangle up for the red one. And this is the triangle left. That is the blue one. And this one is the triangle down for the yellow one. Now copy this one. Come to the CSS part. Set the width as 100%. Make the height also 100%. And take the position as relative. Now come to the triangle right first. We are going to design for the right one. that is a green part. So make the width as 0, height also 0. Make the border top here 55 pixel, sorry, transparent. Now we need border left here 55 pixels, solid green color, and one more, that is border bottom 55 pixels, solid transparent. Now make the position as absolute, left as 0 and top as 5 pixel. Now let me show you the output, how it is coming. And here we got our green one. So now we have to design for the red one. So now we will take this triangle up. So make the width as 0, height also 0. Now the border left here 55 pixel, solid transparent. Now the border right, again 55 pixels, solid transparent. Now we need to design our border bottom here. So it will be 55 pixel, solid red color. Now make the position as absolute and take the left here 5 pixel and make the bottom here to 0. Now come to the output part once again, and here we got our red one. So now we are going to design for the blue part. So just copy this one, triangle left. So for this width will be 0, height will be also 0. Now the border right, so it will be 55 pixel, solid blue color. Now we need to design border bottom. So make it 55 pixels, solid transparent. And one more, that is border top 55 pixel, solid transparent. Now we need to make the right as 0, make the top to 5 pixel and set the position to absolute. Now let's see the output once again. And here we got our blue one. So now we are going to design for the yellow part. Copy this one. Now come to the CSS part once again. I'm going to design for the yellow one. So make the width to 0. Take the height also to 0. Now make the border left here. So it will be 55 pixel, solid transparent. For border right, 55 pixel, solid transparent. And now we are going to design border top. So it will be 55 pixel, solid yellow color. Now set the position to absolute and make the right to 5 pixel and make the top as 0. So now let's come to the view part once again. And here we got our yellow one. So now we have to design one circle in the center of this home, in which we have to write the home. So come to the HTML part once again. So in this make one div with a class name circle. Inside this make one div again, the class name text. Now use h1 and write home. So now we are going to design this circle and text part. So come to the CSS So set the height as 50%. Make the width also 50% only. Now give the margin here to 28 pixel. Make the position to absolute. Now take the background here, white color, and give the border radius to 50%. It looks circle in the center, and make the Z index to 1 so that it come above the triangle. So now we are going to design the text part. So make the width as 80%, height as 40%. Now we need to take the margin here, so I am taking 20 pixel and 5 pixel. Now set the font size here, so I am taking 8 pixel here. Give the color as black, and we need to add font family here. So let me show the output once again how it is coming. And here we go, we have got the output. So this is the final result of how to make Ludo game board using HTML and CSS. I hope you learned some new technique in HTML and CSS that you can apply in other design also. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the video related to programming and tech tutorial.